What happens if you hold in a sneeze? Holding in a sneeze sounds polite, but it's also a great way to accidentally rupture your own throat. Seriously, there are real medical reports of people tearing soft tissue in their necks or even bursting an eardrum just trying to keep things quiet. A sneeze can shoot out at over 100 miles per hour, and trying to stop it is like putting your hand over a fire hose and expecting a gentle mist. Best case, it just hurts. Worst case, you end up in the ER explaining how your politeness tried to assassinate you.